Eh? Hey, 257 amazing students are already inside the program, and we are growing every single day. It's one of the fastest Facebook ad community that I know right now. You know what it means for 257 people to trust you enough to pay you for a product that you created? It's simply because the product is good enough. I mean, 257 people cannot be wrong. Listen, this is a program that will show you how to create simple Facebook adverts that convert so that you can start running adverts, selling your offers and your product. Whether you are in the health niche, whether you are in the real estate niche, whether you are in the e-com niche, in the digital marketing niche, in the fashion niche, whatever niche you are in, this program is going to help you. It's going to show you exactly how to start creating simple, profitable Facebook adverts that will get you the better result you are looking for. Listen, the strategy that worked last year is no longer working right now. So you need to keep on learning, updating your knowledge. And in this course, I'm going to show you all the winning strategies that I'm using to make fantastic sale right now. I mean, look at this screenshot. This is where we did over 31 million naira selling offers on seller. Look at another screenshot. We've already done more than 1.2 million selling a simple low ticket price. Listen, if you want to understand how to set up a profitable advert that gets you the best result, you have to be in this program. And to even sweeten the offer for you, I am giving you a 1-year full money back guarantee, which means if you come into this program and test it and you're not happy about the result, you don't think this is worth the program, please let me know, and I promise you I'm going to refund you whatever you pay. Because I poured my heart in this program, I am confident that you will love it and you start getting results with the strategies. What are you waiting for? Click on the link anywhere around this video, grab this program, join my community, and whenever you have questions, I am there to attend to you. This is a priceless opportunity and you don't want to miss it for any reason. Click on this link, get the program today, and I'm going to see you on the inside.